Even looking outside today, it's not one of those days where you want to go exploring, right?
Well, unfortunately, no. It's going to be a pretty dreary day. All of central Indiana being impacted by this large winter storm system. It stretches all the way down into Texas. And you can see we have a lot going on here. We have several watches, advisories, warnings out there, flood warnings as well, because we've already had a lot of heavy rain. This next round, the second round of this, is moving in right now. So south of I-70 seeing rain off to the northwest. We do have that wintry mix, which we expected, as the colder air aloft is allowing some of this precipitation to come down as some sleet as the colder air starts to move into Benton County. So we'll be monitoring that for you. Right now, 39 degrees in Indianapolis. The front has now slid through Indianapolis, so it's really hovering to the north of Bloomington and Shelbyville and Richmond, but we're starting to see that colder air moving in, and that's going to have some impacts as we go through the afternoon, as we start to see that precipitation changing types. So we'll have widespread rain, and then we have this wintry mix that's going to change into some sleet, and then we'll see some snow showers, especially on the backside of this system. Heavy snow will be possible mainly in northern and north central Indiana. So let's take a look here at Future Track going hour by hour. We already are starting to see a little bit of this mix over precipitation, as you can see, in northwest central Indiana. This is all going to continue to overspread, and then we'll see those temperatures continuing to fall from northwest, eventually making its way to southeast. Even notice we're still in the low 50s at 130 in Bedford and Bloomington. Now we'll see the heavier snow really starting to take place in northwest central Indiana. That mix of sleet, we could see some ice accumulation there. Indianapolis likely still in rain, as temperatures will still be above that freezing mark. Not that we have to have the air temperature below the freezing mark, but the column of air needs to be cold enough, and it's not going to get cold enough until late this afternoon, until early evening. And this is the backside of the system. It's going to start bringing in much colder air on the backside, so we'll see a little lull in the action, and then we'll continue to see the snow wrapping around as those winds pick up out of the north, and we will see some scattered snow showers out of that on the backside as well. As far as precipitation goes, liquid precip, we could see another 3/4 of an inch. That's why we have some flood warnings out there. We'll see temperatures this afternoon actually falling, going the other direction, falling all afternoon into the low 30s. And here's a look at the rest of your 7-day forecast. We'll see any snow activity ending late tonight and early Friday. Tomorrow will be a blustery day. Wind chill values will stay in the teens most of the day. High of 32 with sunshine. Saturday looks pretty decent but cold. High of 28. Then we're breezy and warmer on Sunday, 46. We get into the upper 50s by Monday, with more rain returning on Tuesday.